Ladies and gentlemen, this is a main event of the evening. Make some noise! This is a professional contest of mixed martial arts fought in the featherweight division. And the first fighter to enter the octagon into the blue corner. Let's hear it for Thomas Riviere. And his opponent entering into the red corner. Let's hear it for Gurj Shergill. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He hails from Paris. He's 31 years old, stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, and weighed in at 65 kilos. He fights for MMA Factory in Paris and has a mixed martial arts record of 7 contests, 4 wins with 3 defeats. Let's hear it for Thomas Riviere. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He hails from Gravesend. He's 24 years old, stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, and weighed in at 66 kilos. He fights for DFC and has a mixed martial arts record of 1 contest with 1 win. Let's hear it for Gurj Shergill. This contest is fought over 3 5-minute rounds.
Okay, and this is it, main event action. We've got in the featherweight division by way of Gurj, Shergill in the board shorts, in the black board shorts, and he is fighting MMA Factory Paris' Tom Riviere in the Valet Tudo shorts. This is a professional MMA fight of 3-5 minutes a round, and it's guaranteed to be some fireworks.
I'm looking forward to this one. I mean, just from the quality the MMA Factory put out today, that this is their professional fighter, the quality of their amateur fighters, I'm looking for something fantastic.
Gurj Shergill definitely got the crowd behind him. Everybody in here on their feet tonight. And you can hear them now behind their boy.
I mean, Thomas looks aggressive.
Nice
and a
shoot.
Fantastic pass as well. I'm looking to see that right hand try to control that foot.
Great scramble from both guys.
Oh
my ways, and Thomas has scrambled his way to the back. He's got one hook in, he hasn't quite got the other hook in.
That's a very tactical thing there. He didn't want to lose position. He's up, but he needs to be careful.
And as soon as they broke away, he was ready and looking to land shots with his accuracy. Nice
I mean,
inside
that is the main reason why he didn't commit that second hook. He wanted to stay on top, regardless of what happened, whether he had the back or whether he had top position. He did not want to lose that top position.
Nice high kick attempt from Gurj there, blocked by Thomas.
There's Thomas, he looks like a sniper.
Thomas tries to come in with the uppercut there, but gets caught on the way in by Tanvir's right straight.
He needs to watch his pace there. This is a 5-minute round. Another good
shoot and a nice sprawl from Gurj, controlling the action.
He's almost given up his back there. He got the unhook given, and Thomas is a very experienced fighter and a very good knee. Small of the two.
Thomas, the more experienced of the two fighters, coming in with a 7-fight record, whereas Tanvir's only had one professional fight, but both looking great.
This is a fantastic fight so far. I wouldn't like to call it, but Thomas looks like he's got a lot of weapons. However, the fact that we've had to see so much of his arsenal just goes to show that he might have given it all in the first round. He might have no more surprises for us, but it'd be nice to see. Good.
Nice right straight from Thomas, just catching the chin of Gurj there.
I mean, are we yet to see the best from Gurj? I mean, is he holding back?
It's hard to tell. He hasn't used a lot of energy. He stuffed a couple of Thomas's takedown attempts, so he looks very calm.
Big right hand, bit wild, but...
Nice, Thomas, you see, he tried twice there, faking with the shoot.
Yeah, he wants us on the floor. He wants us on the floor. However, his stand-up was fantastic.
Go to the 1-2, Thomas ducking underneath, and Gurj landing up on top.
He's got the underhook on that side.
Do you think that was a bit of Thomas pulling guard there as well as Tanvir overpowering?
Yeah, he's got his arm stuck there. It looks like he's trying to go for the sweep. And he looked like he might have... Oh, what's he got here? He went for the De La Riva. Didn't quite work out for him.
Advanced floor game from both those guys. You can see in that quick exchange there.
Good inside.
Oh, he's going for the teeth to the face, just missed. This is good stuff from both guys.
Oh, nice 1-2 leg kick.
Disguised that right chopping kick with a 1-2. It was so quick, you couldn't see that coming.
He's looked low to go high, but he didn't quite trick him. Oh, good shoot, good sprawl.
I think Gurj's starting to see these shoots coming now. He's getting good at stuffing his takedown attempts.
The gas tag, beautiful head movement for Thomas.
Great head movement from Thomas, but that was, after all these attempted takedown attempts, it's got to take some of the energy out.
Oh, good straight. I'm not sure if he's got the power to finish it though from Stanley. However, he's scoring well, and if he gets a takedown here, don't forget these are 5-minute rounds. He's got the back, he's got one hook, he works the punches. He's working for the leg lock. I think.
Smooth transition.
Oh, and he's allowed him to stand. I think he fancies his chances. However, he hasn't landed much.
Nice 1-2 from Gurj. Straight down the pipe again.
I'd like to see a left hook from another takedown scored.
If I was Gurj's corner, I'd be calling for, after he's landed a couple of those 1-2s, an uppercut or a knee, because I think the shoot's
I thought that might happen. So much twisting and turning, he's given his back up. However, he seems comfortable. But you're in your opponent's backyard, you have to win this outright. And
everybody on their feet here, Ryan. Everybody on their feet for this fight. Great main event.
I mean, if you had to ask me, so far the majority of this round has to go to the Frenchman. He's shown most of the aggression. He's shown most of the forward thinking, forward fighting.
With these scrambles, he's landed himself in some of the worst positions.
You're right.
It's close. It is close.
I Ooh.
Nice uppercut.
I got a feeling that the longer this fight goes, the bigger advantage Gurd's going to have. Another shoot. They keep shooting and pulling guard. He doesn't seem to have enough to...
He seems to be happy on the floor, whether he's on bottom or top. But that won't look good in the judge's eyes, and he's going to finish on the bottom here. And that looks like the crowd feels about.
Being on some chill
tough ones are cool.
We go 0 to 100, nigga.
Round 2 of our main event about to kick off.
And what a main event it's been so far.
Very close first round from both guys.
Okay, they're in. And the corners seem to have a tactic for Gurj, and they work up a jab and try to land the overhand right.
From Gurj. That was working for him in the earlier round, and then that was soon followed by a shoot from Thomas. So we could probably see possibly another 1-2 from Gurj, and then see how he's going to...
He's got good defense, has the Frenchman. However, he hasn't got the strength when it goes to the shoots. He can't finish it.
Yeah, Gurj looking like the bigger man of these two, to be fair. It looks like he's carrying more weight.
And the longer this goes, the more it's got to favour Gurj.
Oh!
I mean...
He went for the body kick there, and he's just caught him with the knee on the way in.
Frenchman started to slow down considerably.
Yeah. The shots coming from Thomas don't seem convincing, whereas Gurj seem like they're going to do some damage.
Yeah, he's starting to stalk now. That went
nice
through.
1-2 again.
Good head movement from the Frenchman, but he's not avoiding enough of them, and we can see that shoot coming a mile off now.
Yeah, this is going to really dishearten him now. This is deep in the fight now. When you're going for these shots because you're losing.
Oh, he's rolling for the knee, but I don't think he gets a bit too soon. I don't think he's got much
I don't
there.
think that's going to work, and Gurj should let his man up, which he does.
I mean, some pretty hands from the Frenchman, but I mean, Gurj's scoring much more of the effective shots.
I don't think anything is coming convincingly from the Frenchman stand-up-wise. I think he's lost his power. He's just throwing shots.
Yeah, his
They're
gas tanks going.
Gurj's are the ones that seem to be doing the damage.
I mean, his evasive technique is the best thing he's got going at the moment. He's not landing much. And at this pace, I think it's just a matter of time before we see something strong land from Gurj.
Definitely. See the
Another
building.
shoot. If he manages to stand up with it,
Deep
but
shot. But look how deep that shot was. He should have been able to finish that, but I don't think he's got the energy.
No, and the head control. This is his best chance to finish it. He looks very, very tired. He's dealing with a bigger man. You can hear the crowd saying that he's
tired. You can see
tired.
it in Thomas's face. He's knackered. Gurj teeing off on him now against the cage. The crowd behind Gurj.
Another shoot.
Another one of these strange shoots where he seems happy to be given up bottom position once he gets to the floor.
I mean, he's got half guard. He wants us on the floor, but it's not going to favour him if he continues to shoot like this. Is a lot of energy expended. He looks very, very tired. There's only so many times you can shoot.
And he's shooting. I'm happy to end up on the bottom, but you don't want to end up on the bottom of the guy that looks to be the heavier guy and has got more gas in the tank. That's not going to be a good night for you, ending up on the bottom either. So I think he needs to carry on with his shoots. What he's doing, he's getting good entries to these shoots, but he just needs to finish on top.
I think he just needs to. I mean, he looks really pretty when he's boxing. I think he should just think about trying to score. So, well, you know what? The more he's actually got it for once. However, he's really low, and Gurj's got more presence in mind. He's going to get his back against that fence, and he's going to stand up. He's going to stand up. I don't think the Frenchman's going to have enough strength to keep him down. Gurj's visually the stronger of the two.
As soon as he hit the floor, right, you see him scooting his butt back to the cage, ready to get up already. Good tactics here from Gurj. Good for the Frenchman too, but he doesn't seem to have the strength to finish a lot of these takedowns.
I mean, he's doing a very good job of keeping the knee up high. He's working to get into his back. But how much of his round is left for him to get anything convincing? Gurj back to his feet like we knew he would. A 1-2, an uppercut and a hook, and a kick to the body. A nice little jab.
Nice knee down the pipe
from Thomas, but nothing's really landing. Very interesting fight to watch. Has Gurj spent a little bit now? He seems to be backing up a little bit, and now...
Yeah, both guys seem tired, like they've spent a lot of energy, so it seems he can pull it out.
Good body shot from Gurj. This is a nice little fight to watch now. I knew that was going to happen. We all knew the second that he got his arm around his neck that he'd fancy going for a submission and falling to guard to try and finish it.
And this must be doing loads for the confidence of Gurj, because you can tell Thomas is clearly tired and doesn't really want to be standing. So Gurj should try and keep it here at his range.
I don't think age has got much to say in that. I mean, Gurj, I'm not sure how old Gurj is, but Thomas Riviere is in his 30s now.
Nice slip and return right though from Thomas. I think Thomas's stand-up.
He's got beautiful boxing. He just doesn't seem to have much confidence in it.
Oh, nice head kick attempt from Gurj.
I mean, if he just lets those hands go a little bit, he might surprise himself. So we're coming to the end of the second, is it now, Matt?
Yep. And Thomas finishing on top with the stand-up. Nice comeback.
2-0.
Third and final round of our main event here with Gurj Shergill versus Thomas Riviere.
A little show of respect here. I'm not sure what the Frenchman has to do to win this fight. I think he's left it a little late.
He's coming out looking way more confident though, Ryan. Look at those hands
I think
already.
Confident or desperate?
Well, it doesn't look desperate to me. This is like he is landing some good shots. These are clean techniques landing. This is
they are. You know what? It might do the job. I mean, he hasn't got the power. He has to understand that volume could win this fight. If he just let you land enough shots to someone's face, they're not going to stay there much longer.
And he's mixing up well. Look, body kicks, head shots. This is good. This is much better.
No, another shot. I wouldn't have. If I was Thomas's corner, I'd be screaming at him not to shoot.
Oh, that he had such. He was doing so much better with the stand-up there. And this ain't going to favour him late into the fight, being a smaller guy on the bottom.
I mean, this is
already behind the points.
We're already late in. I mean, the guy's strong. Look, he's got an underhook. He can't do nothing with it. The guy just wizarded it strong. I mean, he's lost the underhook now. He's not in the greatest of positions. He's flat on his back in half guard. Not a great place to be in an MMA fight.
Yeah, he really needs to pull this back to guard and be looking for some sort of submission finish if he wants this on the floor.
Either that or he needs to work. I mean, the simple fact that Gurj favours his right hand for striking, he's got a left underhook, get his back off the floor, because that's the side that he's got his guard on. He really needs to get his back off the floor. He's holding on for dear life now, but it's too late to hold on. But maybe that's what he wanted. He stood him up.
The funny thing is, though, he went for the shoot, and I don't understand why, because he's had the better exchanges standing up.
Maybe he's caught one or two from Gurj and he's just fearing those shots again.
Yeah, make a nice lead coming out the middle from Gurj.
A nice lead left uppercut. Tried to put him up. Oh, that landed, and he's still there. Hopefully that's giving some confidence on the left hook.
1-2 again.
Another shoot.
Nice sprawl, stuff. Well, good stuff. Take that.
And the guard pull. Another guard pull to half guard. I was thinking he's going to sit through, try and take the back.
He's done this a lot of this fight where he's gone for the shoot, and if it's a failed attempt at the shoot, he manages to get those long legs through and pull a half guard, but it doesn't really do much for him as he's got nothing. You can't submit him from half guard.
The last time he was in half guard, he got stood up.
Exactly. I think the same thing will probably happen again.
I mean, what's he got? He's gone for lockdown now in that half guard, so he doesn't look like he wants to take his back. He looks like he's just trying to control his man. I mean, usually if you've got a half guard and you want to work up, you've got the outside leg hooked in. He's got lockdown worked in, then he's trying to hold him down. He's switched to the leg on the outside now. It looks like he's trying to get that knee back inside his full guard. He's working, he needs a submission. He's looking for the head.
He's looking for the head, he's looking for the arm, but he's going to need to pull that full guard to get any really convincing submissions to work for him.
I mean, at this point, I think he's looking for anything. If I was him, I'd take a Kimura, I'd take the hand that's on my body, I'd take the Kimura, and I'd just anything from there, just see if I can work anything. It's late into the fight now. A submission finish seems to be the only opportunity now they're on the floor.
Gurj working a few left shots in.
They're right in the corner of Gurj now. He's getting lots of information. There's not long left.
Must be hard being Thomas on the bottom in your opponent's corner, hearing all the advice from you.
At the same time, Thomas is French, so maybe he's not hearing too much.
It's true, yeah, something about that.
Gurj is comfortable just to ride the round out now. I wouldn't do anything silly.
Gurj doing enough for this not to be stood up, but nothing really convincing. He's not going to stop the fight on the floor here. Nice scramble from Thomas.
He's managed to get his guard back. And the submission.
Guard.
I think that's what he's been waiting for the whole time, the guard, but
Let's see what Thomas can do from his back with the
I
scar.
don't think much with less than a minute to go.
He needs to pull something out the bag and quick.
Little elbows from the bottom there, across the ears, they're never nice. I think he's trying to raise the head up so he can put a submission on. Yeah, he's trying to get the head to one side. You never know, there could be a last-ditch attempt of a submission here, but...
Yeah, we could see something. He's looking, his eyes are open, he's looking.
I think that's what he's waiting for. I was waiting for the posture, but no, he's done nothing with it. I think he's trying to make a good... Oh!
And right now, Gurj, no real threat to him. Right now, he's on top, which obviously does not, is working in his favour, but he's not going to stop the fight for him. He's not landing anything really heavy. Thomas is just waiting at his opportunity for a submission, but with only probably half a minute left in this round left, is it going to happen?
The crowd are on their feet. I think they smell a victory for their man. 10 seconds to go, and I can't see Pierre doing much. So Riviere, Thomas Riviere doing much to change the
And this
fortunes
one
of their
goes to the scorecards with Gurj finishing.
And
top.
that is the end of the round. That's a fantastic fight. And great sportsmanship being shown.
Let's
I
take
think
it
we
to
know
the
which way
judges
this fight went.
and see what happens.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after 3 hard-fought rounds of action, we go to our judges' scorecards. All 3 judges have rendered a unanimous decision, scoring the contest 30-27, 30-27, and 29-28 in favour of your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Gurj Shergill. Well, let's hear it for a very worthy challenger. Let's hear it for Thomas Riviere.